Hello guys, welcome to another episode of IS Plus YouTube channel, and today I want to share with you why you need to take email screenshots and website chats, basically chat screenshots, why you need to take them seriously. For example, you might probably buy a course online, and while watching the video you see a lot of proof of payments and all. It will shock you that some of these things are edited. Some of these things are edited to convince you to buy the course. But of course, you'll be convinced because you are watching a video, not a picture or screenshot. But I tell you that most of these things, even while watching the video, they already edited the text on the page, and they will be careful not to reload the page and show you. So now, let's go on the PC and check how these things are done. Okay, now real quick, let's see how this is done. And I'll start from Google AdSense, this Google AdSense dashboard, and let's see how we can change these figures to some cool money. You right click on this and go to inspect. So on the right side of your screen, you see these elements, this tab. You see, as you take your cursor over this text, it's going to highlight where you see right now, this today so far, this $0.00, it's right here because I right click on it, and that's the place where the cursor was when I right click on it. So now let's change it right here. You right click again here and edit text. You see, that's our figure right there, and I can change it to some thing. Let's just put 5, then 2, 3. That's about $5,240. So you click out, and then right there you have it. So you can right click again, clicking inspect, and it's just right there. Sorry, inspect. Okay, I think you can change this just once. Let's go to another place and click inspect, and let's see our figure, then edit. Okay, so that's it right there. So yesterday let's say we earn about $21,000 yesterday. So you click out right there. So now last 7 days, you can just make it, let's say it's about last 7 days 40,000. Let's see, it's about 40,000. You click out. Yeah. So now let's add it together and know how much we have earned this month. It's amazing, right? This is why I am always skeptical about tutorial videos and all. 5240. So now this month we have $66,000. Okay, let's edit. So that would be 66,240. Wow, amazing. How much is the G-Wagon? Somebody tell me, because I'm about to. So that's it. Let's check another. So you can just close this place, and right there we have our figure. So imagine I'm doing a video with this right now. I just need to make sure all the stats here I plug into tally with this data I have up here, and the zeros we have down here as well, and boom, you'll be convinced. Trust me. So let's see how we can edit text too with it. Messages. Okay, I would use this message from Quora. You just right click on it and you highlight, you right click and inspect. And right there we have our text. Exactly. So edit text, that's it right there. So I can just make a gibberish stuff out of it, and boom, changed. See, so you need to take a second guess when you are about to believe some things you see online, especially from screenshots of charts and some tutorial videos. Right now, I can just screenshot this and use it for any other thing I want to. See, right there, screenshot. And but when you reload the page, it comes back to the actual figure you see right there. So I hope you enjoyed this little secret I just revealed to you, and kindly subscribe to my channel to get more informations like this. And please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.